Howdy folks, I'm Alex with Hanksters Haulers, and we've got one of our in-stock trailers here. We'll go over and do a walk around. This one's an 8.5 by 24 foot ROM-400. It's in the silver frost color with the chrome accents and trim along the bottom, top, and the sides. We've got the side escape door on this one. Makes it very easy to load and unload cars, especially with this fender skirt being easily removable. We've got a nice step in there for getting in and out real easy. And then this guy just slides right back in. We'll go ahead and open up the ramp door in the rear. It's got the extension. Now this one's got the aluminum extruded floor. It's a very nice floor in this one. It does have the Advantech wood on the walls and your open aluminum ceiling there. We'll go ahead and finish walking around the outside here. You got your typical side man door here. It's got a latch on the bottom to hold it open. And we'll take a peek inside. Like I said, you've got the extruded aluminum floor, 4 D-rings, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, open aluminum roof. This one does have a spare tire with a mount on the wall back here, and you do have 1 dome light up top with a switch at the front and the back to control it. And that should about wrap things up for this unit here. Always remember, if you're looking for a trailer that we don't have, we can do custom quotes on trailers. And we do have a sale still going on until the end of June. It's $1,500 off any of our in-stock trailers. So make sure to check us out, hankstershaulers.com, and feel free to email or call with any questions.